Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gambler Bear Show. But today we will not unleash unbox review a Gunpla kit, but we will talk about a a Beyblade, but it's a fake. Again, it's a fake Beyblade right here. It's the fake golden Hell Sight. Yep, it's gold and it's very nice. But yeah, we will not know it in its performance if we will not open it. So let's open the pack. Yeah, before that, it's fake. That's why it has only this pack. It doesn't have a box or anything. I don't need the box. I just need the Beyblade itself. So let's go. Okay, so we have here your blade, the very golden blade. The ratchet, it's I think it's 480, right? 480, 460. And then we have the tip performance. Yeah, the tip. Yeah, the tip is right there. I don't think it's the same with your original Hell Sight, but yeah, let's do this one. Let's combine this or build this. I think it's easy to combine. Whoa, the ratchet is so freaky. Okay, and let it. I don't know if it will last long, but yeah, this is the Hell Sight. As you can see there, very nice, shiny. The details, yeah, it has something roughness here. Very shiny. It's very let's say obvious that it is a fake one, and it has also the style of the original one, which if your tip will put inside your ratchet, you can control the logo there at the front. Yep, so that's it. That's what I want. So this is your Hell Sight, and yeah, because it's gold, let's have a battle with the it's the gold Drancer right here also, which I've already reviewed last time. And yeah, whoa, I think they have the same. Yeah, they have the same tip. Wow, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, so let me get first my Beyblade X Stadium. Okay, I'll be right back. Let's go. Let's get it. Hell Sight. Okay, so we have here now your Beyblade X Stadium, and yeah, sorry for the mess around on my table, but yeah, the important is we will test first your Beyblade X Hell Sight in gold color right here. So let's have before the battle, let's have a spin test. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. That is so strong, and because of how fast it spins, it goes on the pocket. Let's try another one. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, another pocket. Why Hell Sight? Last one, then let's have a battle. Goes in the pocket. Another one. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Aggressive. But as I know, Hell Sight is a balance type. Okay, a little bit aggressive. Even it's kind of a balance, but yeah, it also differs in the performance tip. So yeah, let's do it. Let's have a battle with the golden Drancer. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa. Hell Sight is fighting, and let's see. Wow, Drancer is already wobbling, but Hell Sight is also stable. And yeah, Hell Sight wins for that. Let's have another battle. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. So the performance really depends on the performance tip. Am I right? I keep talking tip, or is it beat? Yeah, but yeah, let's do this and let's see who will win. I think Drancer will win this one. He's more stable than Hell Sight right here. And yeah, Drancer wins for the second round. Let's go for the third round. Okay, third round. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Hell Sight is more aggressive than Drancer right here. Oh, that's a great hit, but yeah, stamina for Hellsite is out, but okay, Dread Sword win that. So I think if we have the golden Hellsite, let's go also for the original Hellsite. Let's have the battle for the original. Let's go. And here we are, the original one, as you can see. They have the same pattern, but yeah, this is the original. It's more hard. The steel is very hard here. I don't know here, but yeah, let's try. Let's go. And the other details, they have the same, but it's in gold. But yeah, it's just a fake one. This is original. It really differs. In weight, I don't know. Let's go. The battle will decide for that. Let's go. Let's have a battle. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Whoa! Who won that? It's a burst for the golden dead sight, but it's a pocket for the red, for the original one. Who won that? I don't know. So let's have another battle for that. Okay. Okay, so another battle. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Whoa! That's clear. That's very clear. The original one wins for that. Wow. So nothing beats the original. It's 3 rounds. Let's go for another one. Let's give a chance for the golden dead sight right here. Let's go. That sight. It's Hellsite. Let's go. Okay, for the last round, let's go. Let's try this. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa, whoa. Okay, this one, the golden dead sight is fighting. Okay, it takes its honor back, and the golden dead sight wins for that. Woo! Nice fight. So let's have another Beyblade to fight the golden Hellsite. Let's go. I keep telling that site it's Hellsite. Okay, let's have another one. Introducing the Shark Edge. It's also a fake one, but yeah, it's Shark Edge. We know how it dance on the stadium. Dance because it's now the blade of the Shark Edge very edgy, very edgy. Okay. So let's go. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Whoa! 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 What happened here? Whoa! Okay, Hellsite wins for that. So let's have another round. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Whoa! It's nice. It's not a nice. Oh! Shark Edge wins for that. I will already tell that the Hellsite will win, but wow, that's a great punch for the Shark Edge. It really helps. This one, now it's very sharp. It goes with so many battles, and now the edge is very sharp already. Ooh, it's like every time the Shark Edge goes for a battle, it makes its edge more sharp. Okay, so another one. Let's have another one. Okay, last round. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Uh-oh. Oh! Still Shark Edge wins for that. Hellsite burst at the end of its life. Okay, so yeah, so that's our Hellsite right here, the golden Hellsite. And yeah, it's fake, it's nice, but yeah, you know, when it's fake, you will have the consequence. The performance is not so good, but still, you will have a nice Beyblade. Okay? Ooh, see that? So that's it for now, guys, for our unpacking of the golden Hellsite from the Beyblade X, and also for a spin test and a battle of some Beyblade X right here. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay Galapana signing off, and Gambler Show signing off. Even it's not a Gunpla. Bye. Hellsite, thank you. But yeah, you're gold, but I don't know if you have some carrots. Bye! Ooh, bye-bye. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.